Ivan seems troubled. Where is he going now?
Seems like Ivan listens to you.
What is next? What needs he to do?
He'll need to cross the frozen peaks with teary eyes and reddened cheeks. Before he'll reach the other side, his wits and toughness will be tried. Morosco, with his heart of ice, lets no one through without a price. But if the blacksmith proves he's tough, he might receive some magic stuff. But others who call this place home have hands of ice and hearts of stone. And if they see Ivan get close, they might decide to eat his nose.
I can barely feel my face. A stone oven sits here. Old, but repaired. There's a freshly baked loaf inside the oven. This altar is dedicated to Veles, god of musicians and magic. Is that thunder I hear in the distance? Veles must like this. The altar is quietly humming. Go back to where you came from, human. Why aren't you letting me pass? You are not pure of heart. I strive to do what is right. What can I do for you?
What reasons have you for traveling to the peaks?
I have no choice. I need to get to the Deadwoods. The Tsar will cut off my head if I return empty-handed.
Your heart seems honest. I'll let you through if you prove yourself worthy.
What can I do?
There's a band of stew-hacks nearby, making lots of noise and killing the animals I love. Get rid of them, and I'll allow you passage.
I accept. The stew hacks will soon be gone.
What ails you, dear peasant? Tell me now, if you may. Are you in great need today?
I'm in great need.
Smell that, brothers? That's the smell of dinner. Juicy human in our bellies tonight.
You'll find me a tad hard to digest.
Get him, brothers!
A stone oven sits here. Old, but repaired. The oven slightly trembles. It seems ready to fly away.
Those creatures were a thorn in my side for a very long time. They finally got what was coming to them. Thank you.
Can I pass now?
You can. Follow this path onwards and travel well.
Hello, dear Ivan. What a place to meet. You seem to be cold. Come and take a seat.
Take me to Maria. It's easy for you.
I am sorry, dear. That I cannot do. No man can survive flying in this house. Just women, crows, my cat, and her mouse.
I'm in need of magic to save me from harm.
Do you want some items? Or maybe a charm? Was he ready to brave the Deadwoods?
The heat is unbearable. A stone oven sits here, old but repaired. There's a freshly baked loaf inside the oven. Stone oven sits here, old but repaired. There's nothing inside the oven. stone altar dedicated to Dazbog, the giving god. The altar accepted my offering. The sun seems to shine brighter. Everything is silent now.
Hey, Mujik, come have a sip. I've got plenty.
And what are you drinking there?
Tika! You never say no to that. Good luck. That's the spirit. Cheers.
Ivan made lots of choices in his quest. What will he learn after he's had some rest? Was he ready to brave the Deadwoods?
Let's see where this road takes me.
stone oven sits here. Old, but repaired. There's a freshly baked loaf inside the oven. The pond seems quite animated.
Greetings, traveler. You have caught me, the pikefish. Now release me, and I shall grant you one wish.
I wish to be strong.
I coughed up this ore. You know what to do. You've done it before. Farewell.
The pond is now quiet. A stone oven sits here. The oven slightly trembles. It's...
Who goes there? Go away if you're up to no good. Leave me be.
This again? Come out. It is safe.
You sure are my guardian angel.
What is it with you and these beasts?
I was just minding my own business, I swear.
This is the last time I save you.
You deserve my pay for the day.
An altar, all scratched and cracked, dedicated to Chernabog, the Black God. I hear a faint laugh. Where is it coming from? Ooh, what's that? The altar is silent now. A stone oven sits here. The oven slightly trembles. It seems... A stone oven sits here. The oven slightly trembles.
Spare me, please. I want to live.
It would be unbearable to kill you.
Thank you. Take this and use it when in need. Farewell.
Ivan made lots of choices in his quest. What will he learn after he's had some rest? Was he ready to brave the Deadwoods?
Tell us, Yaga, what are your plans? Why did you send him to these lands?
The Deadwoods are a place of dread, where lots of blood and tears were shed. And souls once lost in an old battle disturb the peace with chains that rattle. The queen of a kingdom once grand is here to make her final stand. And though she's beautiful and kind, her thoughts of vengeance keep her blind. But our blacksmith has great skill in making others change their will. And though the woods are dark and damp, he's getting closer to her camp.
This is creepy.
An altar dedicated to Mokosh. Look how peaceful and proud she stands. Nothing happens. Perhaps she doesn't like me.
I'm not sure you want to go any further, blacksmith.
Who are you? And why are you standing here?
We're part of Maria Marevna's army. We were on our way home, but there's a ghost blocking our path. We're okay fighting living creatures, but not ghosts.
And what's your plan?
We're thinking about a plan.
I can see why you'd be scared to anger a ghost. But maybe there's a way to pass without angering it. I'll give it a try.
See if you can do better, but if you find yourself dead, don't blame us. If you manage, somehow, to get through, we'll make sure Maria Marevna knows of your actions.
Not 1 foot further, or you'll feel my wrath.
Poor soul. What has happened to you?
The most foul of deaths has come upon me. and it is keeping me on this wretched ground. You will pass through when I pass on.
I can't let you roam the earth like this.
My anger is keeping me here on this bloodied earth.
Anger? With whom?
My horrible twin sister. She's the one that killed me. Much good that did. She died soon after.
If she's dead, why do you care?
I never got to have my revenge. Once I do, I'm sure I can move on.
Are you sure this will help?
Sure enough. Now listen. She's buried near here. Defile her grave. But if by chance my sister happens to be there, destroy her instead. And don't talk to her. She is a very good liar. Oh no! She sent you here, didn't she?
What made you kill your own sister?
I did not kill my sister. Or did I? Maybe. It's complicated.
You're nothing but a murderer. Get out of my way.
Die then! Did you kill my sister?
It is done. I destroyed your sister.
Finally! I found my hero. Go on, blacksmith. You can pass.
Did you clear the path?
The path is clear. Go to Maria Marevna and let her know of my arrival.
We'll need some time to pack up. You go and we'll catch up with you.
A stone oven sits here. Old, but repaired. There's a freshly baked loaf inside the oven.
How fortunate to have stumbled on me today.
How so?
I wish to try out my new attraction on you.
And what exactly is it?
You see that donkey over there? It tells jokes. The first of its kind. My offer goes like this. If you let the donkey tell a joke and you don't laugh, I will give you 5 kopecks. But if you do, you will have to give me 10 kopecks.
Why should I believe one word? This is surely a trick.
10 kopecks if you do not laugh. No tricks, I promise.
Let's hear it then.
Go and greet the donkey. A joke will follow.
Hello, donkey.
What does a peasant say after walking into a barn?
What?
Ouch.
Well, that wasn't funny at all. A terrible joke.
What ails you, dear peasant? Tell me now, if you may. Are you in great need today?
I'm in great need.
Greetings, stranger. Can I interest you in a bargain?
Make it quick. I'm not one to wallow around graveyards.
My story is one of greed and mischief, but I'm more willing to share in my old age. There's treasure hidden in one of these tombstones.
Why don't you just take it yourself?
A curse on my head prevents me. I cannot get near the treasure, nor can I tell anyone where it is.
I'll just try each one.
Wait! The curse is such that if you disturb the wrong tomb, the treasure will become lost forever. It is important for you to guess the right grave, and I can help with that.
How can you help me if you can't tell me which one it is?
Guess, and I will tell you when you're wrong.
I have some time to spare. Let us proceed.
Great! Now, try and guess which one it is.
Is it the grave in the middle?
It is not the one on the left. That is all I can tell you.
Should I change my choice?
I'm afraid I cannot help anymore. All you can do now is... My treasure is gone! All gone! Damn be you, blacksmith!
Now, look, what do we have here? Looks like it's finally time to finish that dinner we started long ago. Those fingers were delicious, with tasty, crunchy bones.
You took my hand, evil creature.
I did not take it. You left it behind. What was I to do? Let it rot there? I searched everywhere for the rest of you. You're always on my mind. Learned so much since last time we have met. I'll come for you again, and my knives will be wet.
If we meet again, I will destroy you.
Ivan made lots of choices in his quest. What will he learn after he's had some rest?